Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in silver. We'll start from the higher time frame analysis and narrow down to lower time frame analysis. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels which will help you to decide on your entry and exit during your trade. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I have already marked the support and resistance levels in the daily time frame, and we already know from the daily time frame that this area is acting as a very strong resistance level. You can notice that price had tested this level previously and bounced back. Again it has retested and again rejected and bounced back, and it has tested this price level third time also and it has got rejected, which means that this area is acting as a very strong resistance level. As the price action goes up and bounces back every time, you can notice that it's forming a very nice triple top pattern. So currently when we look at the price action, it has formed a triple top pattern, and I am assuming it is in a retracement to the bottommost support level. I have marked the support zone also. Here you can notice that this area is acting as a very strong support zone, 25.35. Every time price tests this level, you can see it bouncing back, and again when it retraces, you can notice that price is getting supported over here. And once it broke this support level, you can notice that downtrend has started. Currently the price action is moving within this support and resistance level of 25.35 and 22.11. So since it has formed a double top pattern, I am expecting a further fall in this currency pair. Currently this support level is holding as a support for now. Once it breaks this support level, I am expecting a further fall, which will be the next level of support, 19.61. So when we closely analyze the current price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend and it has broken this support level and it is on a bearish trend, or we can say it is range bound market for now. And within this I have drawn the trend line. It was previously moving on this trend line and it has given a breakout from this trend line and tested the next level of resistance, and I have taken this level as a next level of support line. I have drawn one more trend line, the blue color line. When we notice the current price action, it is on a retracement now. Even when the price goes on a bullish side, we can expect the price to get rejected at this trend line over here, then retrace back and continue its bearish trend. The overall price action is in a bearish trend, but it is retracing and slowly moving on a bearish side. So these are all the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. So from the price action, we understand that it was on a very nice downtrend and currently it is in a very nice bullish trend. I have drawn a channel pattern over here to make it easier to understand. It has also broken this resistance level, which was around 22.59. So I am expecting a further continuation of this bullish trend, but it is also forming a triangle pattern over here. So it is finding difficult to break this resistance level over here. If it breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to trend on the bullish side, again retrace, again continue trending on the bullish side. And even if it continues, another information we have is this is the higher time frame resistance level, the blue color line. So we can expect a bounce back from this price action and retrace back onto this support level. Once it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. As long as it doesn't breach this support level, we can expect a range bound market to continue within this support and resistance level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in the hourly time frame, and current price action is moving within this channel pattern, which is on a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, it has gone up, tested this resistance level of 22.63 and it has bounced back. Again next time when it went, it has briefly breached this resistance level and again retraced back. You can notice that the price action is kind of consolidating within this resistance and support level. It is finding difficult to breach this blue color resistance line and it is actually narrowing down. So there is more chances that it will break the support level of the channel pattern and trend reversal is possible. If it breaks the support level also, which is around 22.655, we can expect a further fall and test on this 22.112. Currently it is on a consolidation. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price is consolidating within this channel pattern and it is forming a triangle pattern. Wait for the breakout from this triangle pattern, then go on a directional trade. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn the channel pattern. Previously the price was moving within this support and resistance levels of channel pattern, and when it reached this resistance line, the blue color line, it couldn't manage to go on a bullish side. You can see that it is started to consolidate below this resistance line and it has also breached this support line of the channel pattern, and currently the price action is actually trading below this support line or the resistance line for now. So we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and test on this downside support of the channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Because the price has tested this level, there are more chances that it will come up to this level of 22.65 and then bounce back. But overall, when we look at the price action from the daily time frame, it is on a bearish trend. So it has to break this resistance line to actually continue its bullish trend. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. These are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the market is in a bearish trend. We can expect it to fall further and test on this support line of the channel pattern. If it breaches this level, we can expect the next support to be at 22.73. And if it breaches this support level, we can expect a further fall and test on this support level of 22. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.